Where's storm warning?
Expected total snow accumulations of 7 to 15 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Highest totals will be across the Worcester Hills and the east slopes of the Berkshires. Areas affected include portions of northern Connecticut, central, eastern, northeastern, and western Massachusetts, and northern Rhode Island. When, from 7 a.m. Monday to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts include travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Snow will be heavy and wet across Rhode Island and eastern Massachusetts. This may increase the risk for power outages, in addition to the gusty northeast winds. Winter storm warning.
Oh, hello. Winter storm warning really about 15 minutes ago.
Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Tuesday.
Never mind, you're gonna do it.
Heavy snow expected.
You're gonna do it for...
Total snow accumulations of 5 to 13 inches. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Where? Northeastern Suffolk and southeastern Suffolk counties. When? From midnight tonight. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions will impact the morning commute and possibly the evening commute as well. Strong winds could cause tree damage. Additional details. Blizzard-like conditions possible late Monday morning into early afternoon. Snow sleet accumulations will be toward the lower end of the forecast range generally over the Twin Forks. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions.
I think this will be doubleheader.
For the following areas,
Never mind.
Southern Fairfield.
Another WSW. I think it's for the Windham County area. Please tell me it is. Oh, Litchfield.
Winter storm warning in effect from 4 a.m. Monday to 4 p.m. Tuesday. What? Heavy snow.
4 p.m. Monday.
Total snow accumulations of 10 to 18 inches.
Wow.
Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. When? From 4 a.m. Monday to 4 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions will impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Additional details. Snowfall rates will increase to 1 to 2 inches an hour in late morning through the afternoon and into the evening. Lighter snow amounts are possible Tuesday morning into the afternoon. Sun-blown and drifting snow will occur Monday afternoon into Tuesday. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.